Okay, good morning. I am going in right now to look at this. So here's your radio network. Let me go to the panel. And the first thing that we're going to do there is, I don't like this. Hold on. This looks weird. Is there another theme looking thing? Okay, that looked better. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do, where it says search right here, we're going to go to SSL. SSL. Okay, and then click where it says SSL TLS Status. Okay, so this is on, which means that the certificate is installed. So I think your problem is going to be with your WordPress install. Because if I put HTTPS, okay, like so. Okay, it has this here. Okay, it does have the thing. Okay, and it looks like it's just, alright, that's the thing that you guys got. That's cool. Okay, so that's there. So let's just put it in without a thing. Right, naturally. I'm just gonna put it without it and see how it calls. Okay, so even without it, it still calls appropriately. Let me go to Safari. Let's just call it without anything. Call it without a thing. Let's see what happens. Okay, no, the domain is installed. So when you come on the front, it is installed. So let's go on the back. Now, when you go on the back, it kind of really doesn't matter, but the point is when you go here, or if somebody checks out or whatever. So let me go in through your back way real quick. And once we go through your back, through the back way, so let me go to the WordPress thing. Always just remember when you are creating a new install that always before you install WordPress, you need to give the certificate enough time to install. So normally once you create a new account, then what you need to do is once you create a new account, you need to give it 10 or 15 minutes just to make sure that the certificate is installed. And once the security certificate is installed, which it does, okay, and it's installed on the HTTPS link here as well, okay, so I think you're good. Actually, you're good. Okay, they got a new WordPress available, so we're gonna update it. I like page layer; it's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and do an update, and it's always important just to keep your sites updated because it protects from spam and all that good stuff. And then you have a one plugin update. Okay, since we have a plugin update, we're just gonna update that, and I'm gonna also go into your settings. Okay. Now, once I'm in, okay, it's also installed on the HTTPS. So, also, you want to make sure your time zone is changed to whatever location you're in, because the time zone is not right. I mean, well, I don't know. Maybe that's the time zone they want. Especially if you're publishing if you're going to be doing a podcast on here or publishing podcasts, you need to make sure that your time zone is set accordingly. And of course, you can. I personally like to do it by city, so I'll find the United States. And since I'm in Central, I will put Chicago, but I don't know what time zone this person's in, so I'm not gonna mess with any of that. But thus far, your site is fine, and the certificate is installed and everything is on the thing. So it might just need it to be, because you instantly, and if you instantly you put the help me Lord, what I'm trying. You put the domain name in, and then you have to wait and allow the security certificate to you have to allow the security certificate to do its thing. So it takes 10 to 15 minutes to do that. Once that has been installed, then you go and install the WordPress site. So I hope that helps you, and everything looks fine on my end. Have a blessed one.